Hi guys, I was gifted these end tags from the seller, so I can show you how great they are. Now they're great for locating anything that you want to keep track of. They do, it says come in a 4-pack here. Let's see what else we got in here. So we do have little key rings if you want to put those on here and then attach it to your keys so then you don't lose your keys. It does have a little opener here to open it. All you need is the Find Hub app from your Android phone. I'm going to go ahead and grab my phone here and I'm going to click the button. And we're going to see if we can add it here. All right, so down here on the bottom it says end tag. Let's click at that. All right, so as soon as you click the button here, it'll pop up end tag here in your Find Hub app. And you're just going to click connect. So we just go through all these prompts here. And we're going to turn it on and help you locate the device. When it's offline, Find Hub will encrypt and store it to most recent data. So then we're gonna put the screen lock on there, I think. Let's see. I gotta just enter my PIN and we're gonna join the Find Hub network. That way, if this tag is ever lost, if we mark it lost, then other people can find this tag. All right, and so we need to allow the notifications there. We can go ahead and play the sound. So like if you lose it someplace. Oh, I'm holding up the wrong one, guys. It's actually this one here. And it's trying to grab the other tags that are there. So you can stop the sound and you can play the sound again. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's a nice beeping sound. And then you can stop it. So it does show you on the map where it is located. And right now we're in the house. I'm going to go hide some of these around the property and we'll see if we can go find them. All right, guys. I went and hit a tag and let's go ahead and zoom in. And I hit it outside. And look, you can see it's not in the house. It's outside the house over there. So let's go find it. And then when we get closer, we'll play the sound. All right, so let's walk over here. Let's click play sound. Let's click play sound. We're getting in that general area. All right, so we just clicked play sound and we're walking towards the area and I can hear it beeping. Let's see. All right, we hear it. Oh, look, there it is. We found our lost tag out here in my hammock next to the woods. All right, so one other feature is the tag will say near you right now. So it'll actually, tell you that it's real close. So if you lost your keys in the couch or something, and then you just click on play sound. Can I hear it? Where is it? Oh man, it got left in this drawer here. That's pretty cool. All right, so I showed you exactly how easy these are to set up with your Android phone and that Find Hub app. These work really, really great. So you definitely want to tag all your like keys and all your important things that you don't want to ever lose. I went on vacation and we tagged the suitcases. I just threw them each in each suitcase. And then we actually had a layover where we went to the hotel and all of our bags stayed at the airport. Well, we could see where our bags were while we were at the hotel, exactly at the airport, you know, where they were being stored. So these tags really are cool. So if you don't want to lose your stuff, you need to get you some of these tags. They work fantastic, and I love that it comes in a 4-pack. So if you guys are looking for these, go ahead and get them. Thanks.